Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you are new. This is my weekend facial care routine. Yeah, so let's get into the video. First, I'm going to use this rice scrub. I'm wetting my face with some water. Applying the scrub on my face in circular motions. Scrubbing my face for like 5 minutes. Don't be so rough, just do it gently so that you don't damage your skin. Now I'm done with the scrubbing. I'll wait for 10 minutes and then wash with warm water. I used this soap to wash off. This is called this organic African black soap. This soap helps to exfoliate and also remove excess dirt and oil from your face. I don't use cold water to rinse my face because warm water is good. It opens pores for the next process, so that when I'm going to use this black peel off black mask, it will help me get off the white blackheads from my pores, because the warm water will help to open pores. I used to have a lot of pores on my face, but there's a product I've been using. It's called La Roche cleanser. La Roche, there's a deep cleanser and there are two cleansers. You can check my previous video.
What are you doing?
So that product really helped me. And these days I don't have much of pimples.
Thank you.
You're the monster. The
I will eat you.
monster.
Yes. Where is ABC? Wow.
I'm checking if the mask is dry, because I can only peel it after it's dry. I know some people wash it off with the water, but I like peeling it off because when I do that, I see the white heads coming out on the black mask that I peeled off. My face is already looking lovely and smooth. Now I'm going to use this last product, which is also a mask, face mask. It's vitamin C face mask.
After washing my face. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Ciao!